If you are thinking about getting a loan from MoneyLion, the first question you are probably asking is simple: what exactly do I need to qualify? In this video, I will walk you through everything MoneyLion looks at before approving a loan, what you should prepare in advance, and how to improve your chances of getting approved quickly. MoneyLion is not a traditional bank, but it operates as a regulated financial technology company in the United States. It offers several borrowing options, including cash advances through Instacash and personal loans through its Credit Builder Plus and other lending products. Each option has slightly different requirements, but the basics are mostly the same. The first thing you need is an active MoneyLion account. You cannot apply for any loan or cash advance without signing up. The sign-up process is straightforward. You provide your name, email address, phone number, and basic personal details. MoneyLion will also verify your identity, which means your information must be accurate and match official records. Next, you must be at least 18 years old and a legal resident of the United States. MoneyLion only serves US-based users, so a valid Social Security number is required for identity verification and credit checks where applicable. This is non-negotiable, especially for personal loans and credit-building products. One of the most important requirements is a connected checking account. MoneyLion needs access to your bank account to verify income, track cash flow, and deposit your loan or cash advance. The account must be active and in good standing. If your account shows frequent overdrafts or failed transactions, that can reduce your approval chances. You also need a regular source of income. MoneyLion does not require traditional employment, but it does want to see consistent deposits. This can be from a job, freelance work, gig platforms, government benefits, or pensions. What matters most is reliability. If your income arrives regularly, even if it is not a large amount, you are more likely to qualify. For Instacash advances, MoneyLion focuses more on income patterns than credit scores. This makes it attractive to people with low or no credit. However, the system still analyzes your transaction history to determine how much you can safely borrow. If your income is irregular or very recent, you may start with a smaller advance limit. If you are applying for a personal loan or Credit Builder Plus, your credit profile becomes more relevant. MoneyLion does not have a strict minimum credit score published, but higher scores improve approval odds and may lead to better terms. That said, many users with fair or limited credit still qualify, especially if their income and banking history are strong. Another requirement many people overlook is spending behavior. MoneyLion's system evaluates how you manage money. If most of your income goes out immediately on bills, subscriptions, or gambling-related transactions, that may raise red flags. Stable spending habits signal lower risk and can work in your favor. You should also be prepared to enable account permissions. MoneyLion uses secure data access to review your financial activity. This allows the platform to make faster decisions and, in some cases, offer instant approvals. If you restrict access too much, your application may be delayed or denied. For larger loan amounts, MoneyLion may request additional verification. This can include proof of income, recent pay stubs, or confirmation of your employment status. Responding quickly to these requests helps speed up approval. Now let us talk about how to increase your chances of approval. First, link your primary bank account, not a secondary or rarely used one. Second, make sure your income deposits are visible and consistent for at least a few weeks before applying. Third, reduce overdrafts and failed payments if possible. Even small improvements can make a difference. Timing also matters. Applying shortly after receiving income can improve your eligibility, especially for Instacash. MoneyLion's system often looks at available cash flow to determine safe borrowing limits. Once approved, funds are usually deposited quickly. Instacash can arrive instantly for a small fee, or within 1 to 2 business days for free. Personal loans may take slightly longer, depending on verification and banking processing times. Finally, understand that approval is not permanent. Your eligibility and limits can change over time based on your financial behavior. Responsible repayment, stable income, and consistent account activity can increase your borrowing limits in the future. So, in summary, to get a loan from MoneyLion, you need an active account, a U.S. residency with valid identification, a connected checking account, regular income, and healthy banking activity. Credit score matters more for personal loans than cash advances, but good financial habits always improve your chances. If you are considering applying, prepare your account properly, understand which MoneyLion product fits your needs, and apply with confidence.